Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. Today, if you are looking for easy ways to make money on Fiverr, then you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you guys 4 simple gigs that you can start right now on Fiverr, and you can start making dollars right now on the Fiverr platform. So let's go dive into it. The first gig that I have on my list is the shoutouts. If you have a decent followers on your social media or you have a popular blog, you may want to consider offering these services on Fiverr. You can see people offering these services on Fiverr, and we have just few people offering these services on Fiverr, 1,200 plus that they want offering these services on Fiverr. And this service on Fiverr is high in demand on the Fiverr market right now, in the marketplace. So the first gig is shoutout. You can see that we have some people offering this gig from $10 to $100, and we have different review. Let's just open this one and see. Business and influencers are always looking for ways. Business and influencers are always looking for ways to reach new audience by promoting their content to followers, different followers out there. You can make some easy cash. All you have to do is just to set up your gig on Fiverr, describe your audience, and highlight any engagement status that you may have. From this order now, this person, you see that he has 714 gigs, which means he has delivered over 714 gigs so far. If you have to calculate that, 714 times 20 times $20, which is the basic package, that's a lot of money. You see the standard package is 25, premium 50. So the next gig is the user testing. User testing, as you can see, the user testing has just 480 people that are offering these services on Fiverr. And these services is also high in demand on Fiverr. As you can see, there are a lot of people, you can see a lot of reviews. What is this service all about? This service is all about, you don't actually need any special skills for you to offer this service on Fiverr. All you need is just a critical eyes and the ability to give clear and constructive feedback. Yes, they will give you, the user or the buyer will give you a website. I want you to view this website, test this website, and see if it's actually good on the mobile app or on the laptop or the desktop app. All you have to do is just to give your review on the website. You will typically be asked to complete specific tasks on a website or application, and there you will share your thoughts on what you think about the website. Either the website is good but it's not ranking on Google AdSense or on Google website, or the website is good but the design is not good enough, something like that. As you can see, many people are offering these services on Fiverr. Imagine this one starting from $10, and she have over 612 reviews. That's more than $600. And this is the basics. We also have the premium and also the standard. So people are really making a lot of money from this gig. So I encourage you out there to also utilize this gig and make some few cents from it. And the next is transcription. Yes, transcription. This is the third on our list, which is transcribing, to transcribe messages. It could be audio or video messages. If you are a fast typist and you have a good listening skills, this is a great option for you. Yes, clients will ask you or will send you an audio or video files. All you have to do, your job is just to convert these files into what? Text. Into text. It could be anything from podcast to business meeting or anything at all. Accuracy is actually the key on this service, on this gig. So take your time and proofread your work before submitting it to your buyers. All you have to do, listen to what they are saying and write them out. As you can see, a lot of people are offering these services on Fiverr, over 5,800 people. And the competition is actually not that high, it's very low. So if you start offering this service on Fiverr now, there's every guarantee that you are going to make sales as soon as possible. I just started this Fiverr not quite long on this four Fiverr gig, and so far yesterday I just received my first $40 on Fiverr. So this gig actually they are working, and I have current pending orders also that I'm yet to deliver, of which I will deliver very soon. So this gig are actually working, and they are high in demand in the Fiverr markets. And the last but not the least, which is the fourth one, is what is called a beta reader. Yes, a beta reader. If you love to read or you have good eye for details, you can get paid to read and review different manuscripts. It could be YouTube or Facebook or whatever manuscripts that they have. You could be paid to review all these manuscripts. And as usual, like I told you before, these 4 gig I'm going to show you have little competition. As you can see, 2,800 people are actually providing these services on Fiverr, which is not that high. And these services, a lot of people out there need these services because they cannot read their books by themselves. They need to pay others to proofread it for them. So authors are always looking for feedback on their works before it is being published online or offline. So as a beta reader, you will provide constructive criticism on everything from plot and character development to grammar and pacing. Actually, it is fun. It's a fun way to make money if you are a good reader on Fiverr. Actually, you make cool money. All you have to do is just to read, and you make cool money from Fiverr. Isn't that wonderful? Yes, it's actually great. So there you have it. These are the 4 easy Fiverr gigs that can make you some extra cash. We talk about the shoutouts, we talk about the user testing, the transcribing, and lastly, talk about the beta reader. So if you find this video helpful or useful, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to wherever you find the video, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video when it is uploaded. So that you never miss a video when it is uploaded again. Don't forget to drop a comment below on what you think about this video. If you have any questions, or if there's any other gig that you think we should have added, please add it in the comment section. Let us see it. Alright. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.